are you? Who are you? If you don't answer, I'm gonna punch you. Speak up! Who are you? You look like Joey after you convert it. And who are you? Who are you?
Replicant 6.
No, your name Chris. Don't try to fudge it. Very nice, Replicant 6. And I am the creature.
You can see your mouth.
And we have all these trick-or-treaters here. Hundreds of thousands of them. And an airplane's crashing. Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Are you going to say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
That's better.
Happy Scary Day.
Bye-bye.